Paul was kind to you?
Yeah, he said we could stay another day.
Awesome.
Which, the winds do seem to be moderating this afternoon, but this morning it was blowing 40.
Yeah, I know it.
It was looking pretty crap,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we're happy not to have to, like, jump out.
Yeah, right.
So anyway, so our friends Amy and Mike are getting ready to leave finally.
No!
Finally.
Finally, it's about time. No, we're so happy to have them here, and then my brother Colin and his wife Penelope just arrived earlier.
Happy to be here.
So we're out really,
Transition.
saying goodbye and welcoming
Saying
people
hello
all
and
at the
saying
same
goodbye.
all at the same time.
I don't want you to leave.
I know. It's hard to leave. But you got to go back to reality eventually.
Unfortunately, it's something, right?
Yeah.
We all hate that.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
We try to make it a welcoming experience where they can call anytime and say, "We're ready for another dose." Yeah.
Another dose.
Yep, we're going.
Okay, Colin, I'm going to need your help to bring the dinghy around. We're gonna
Pull these fenders up onto the deck. Penelope.
You guys? Sorry, yes?
Yes. No, that's enough. We're already doing 6.5 knots.
Okay.
We'll get there fast enough this way. What do you think, Penelope?
I think this is awesome. I'm so happy to be sailing. Actually sailing this time.
We're heading for the town of Thermopylae and Syros. There it is up there. It's pretty incredible to back up to the cafe, huh?
Yeah. Very cool.
This Talisman out there on the town quay.
We were at Mykonos.
What's up, guys?
Oh, we got a Lubeck's awesome. We were over at Mykonos. We've been stuck in the Meltemi, and we had friends in, and then Kevin's brother is here now, and so we picked them up yesterday night, and now we're like, we gotta get the hell out of here. So where you been?
Slowly working our way east.
Yeah. We're gonna do that
Yesterday
too,
we
yeah.
were southwest Syros.
Okay.
And then before that we were on Mykonos. And then,
Okay, Keithos is nice, isn't it? Yeah.
And then before that we were on mainland.
Okay.
So after I met you guys,
Yeah.
Bobby and Laura left, and then my dad came out. We did a week, and then Troy and my brother Danny's out.
Nice to meet you.
So you had 3 people.
I'm Wendy.
Wendy, nice to meet you. Yeah.
you guys just met Dylan pretty recently.
Yeah, we met on Aegina. Oh, so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aegina. Yeah, Aegina. We were out in the harbor anchoring, and saw each other's American flags, and we're like,
Yeah. There's not very many American flags
Yeah.
out here in Greece. So it's always good when you see
Nice.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw the boat and I was like, Talisman, I know that.
I know that
somewhere.
name. Where have I seen that name? Yeah.
Heading back to Mykonos. We have a package from Oyster for our we've got a repair we're doing on the boat. So unfortunately the shipments got separated and they sent the package later in the afternoon, so we missed it. Now we have to go back. So we're going back into the venturi of the Meltemi. Mykonos just gets wind funneled right to it. We're on the first reef of our headsail, and now we're thinking we're probably going to go to the second reef here in a bit. We're seeing sustained 25 knots. And yeah, we're just cruising in. We're not in any kind of a race to get there. Absolutely beautiful day though. Never seem to have rain here in the Aegean. Island of Tinos. Speaking of straight ahead. are in the very nice little harbor. That was Paros, and late in the day it got pretty crowded. Everybody kind of tried to squeeze in at the last second, but it's a beautiful town. It's got a lot of great, cool little restaurants in the back and alleys, similar to Mykonos, but without all the cruise ship traffic. Dangerous passerelle. High on the list of things to fix. What you doing there, big guy? This is, I don't want anything to do with you.
Hello, darling. Where do you want to go for dinner?
Whatever looks good. Yeah, we're just walking through town looking for a place to eat, and our experience so far has been fantastic. So we're just probably gonna stay here for a few days because we were gonna take my brother over to Naxos, but for a departure on a flight out to Athens. But what's going on is that the Meltemi's gonna fill back in, and we really like the spot we have at this marina, so we're probably gonna stay for a few days. So they were able to move their flight for no charge to leave from Paros instead. So everything's good. And there's a beautiful girl.
Over there?
If you want.
No, the beautiful girl. I was looking for her.
Oh, no, that's you.
Look at this. Everybody's out shopping. 11 o'clock at night. Well, we've had a very successful completion of our refrigerator overhaul, and now, as you can see, we are stocked and ready to go for our next adventure.